One of the greatest things that can hold you back from healing and getting your health back is your attitude towards the food and the lifestyle changes that you're going to need to make. Just got off the line with a new client who is struggling with getting her health back. And one of the biggest things I'm seeing holding her back is her attitude around her smoothies. So I've taught you guys that you can make a green smoothie. And if you build it the right way, it's going to start causing cellular repair, optimizing your immune system so you can recover your health. That's amazing, right? But she's focusing on, I don't like having to get up and put all the vegetables in and make all this. I'm not a smoothie person. I don't enjoy smoothies. All this kind of, even though she says it tastes good, she said, I'm not a smoothie person, right? When we negate the thing that we need, we're going to be less motivated to do it. And our life is more stressful, right? If you're saying, I have to do a thing I don't like to do, you have more stress, right? So one of the things that I told her to do that I want you to do as well is bless your food. Don't say, I don't like drinking smoothies. I tell people this all the time. You take your green smoothie and you kiss it. Mwah! I love you. I bless you. Thank you so much for giving me everything I need to get my health back and to keep my health, right? Because I've been healthy from lupus 14 years now, and I give a lot of credit to those green smoothies and eating all of those healing foods. Now, of course, if you really don't like smoothies, eat the greens. But the point is, make sure that you're giving a positive attitude towards what you need to heal. I see this often in my rapid recovery group. I'm helping people every day for 6 weeks to get their health back. And the people who go, wow, this is amazing. Something that grows from the earth can get me healthy. I'm so excited. And they're really in a great emotional state. They get better so fast. But the folks who really want food to give them their happiness, they struggle. And I always tell them, don't get happiness from food. You're not supposed to get emotional joy from food. You're supposed to get emotional joy from experiences and from relationships. So make sure that you bless the foods that are going to help you feel better and try to get your joy and happiness from other things. And that's true for every other aspect of the program, whether it's drinking more water, whether it's making sure you get some stress relief or some exercise, all the things that are going to make you better, they're going to take some effort. I've never said healing is going to be convenient or easy, but what I will tell you is that it's worth it. So try to have a positive attitude about what the great things that are going to happen are, right? Get excited about the potential that you can get your health back from eating these simple foods rather than be stuck with medications that can suppress your illness sometimes, but can never get you healthy. You can do it, but the hardest part starts right here.